If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Straighten tool in Photoshop is handy for times when you want to correct a crooked picture. You can specify a new straight edge and then rotate the image according to your line. The Straighten tool in Photoshop is part of the Crop tool, so you access it when cropping a photo, as previously discussed in the lesson titled How to Crop in Photoshop. To crop a Photoshop file, select the Crop tool in the Tools panel. The Crop tool shares the same button in the Tools panel with the Perspective Crop tool, the Slice tool, and the Slice Select tool. So, to select the Crop tool, you may need to click and hold down on this button in the Tools panel, and then select the Crop tool from the side menu of choices that appears. To straighten the image to crop, click the Straighten button in the Options bar control panel to activate the Straighten tool. Then click and drag a line in the image that you want to appear completely horizontal after you release the mouse button. When you release the mouse button, the image is rotated so that the line you drew is the horizontal axis of the photo. As always, to finish cropping the image after straightening it, click the Commit Current Crop Operation button in the Options bar control panel. Alternatively, to cancel the cropping, click the Cancel Current Crop Operation button in the Options bar control panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.